Well, I'm in the shop today. I've got a couple of unboxings, and the first one's going to be a vacuum cleaner I bought for my girlfriend, so she can use it. She's going to use it way more than I am. So, first thing, looks like it hasn't been opened before. That's good. These things have been sitting in here for a couple of weeks. Just now getting around to opening them up. And it's going to be used for vacuuming up some little stuff here in the shop. You can see there's a bunch of sawdust over there. That's hopefully going to be collected with the sawdust collector there. I got to hook that up. And then I got to hook up the filtration system there. And man, that is a huge manual just for a cordless vacuum cleaner. This is going to be for vacuuming the stairs, vacuuming. This is the 20-volt one. They make an 18, but I have batteries that are, oopsie, I have batteries for the combo kit that I picked up for my drill and impact gun. And I thought, well, if I'm going to get a cordless, I might as well get the Dewalt, because I knew this thing existed, and I finally said, that's it, I'm just going to get it. Supposedly it's got pretty good reviews, so this goes in only one way. And they make bigger batteries, but I don't know that I'm going to need it. There's your wet. Hey, I don't need you anymore. It's a clever little spot to put that doohickey. You ever want to catch somebody stealing and you can't prove anything? We used to take these and drop them on the floor near somebody, or just like put it on their shirt. Just bump into them, and when they walked out, they tripped the alarm, and we could grab them. Well, I couldn't. I would help security. This was at, oh, I don't want to say the business. They're pretty much out of business now anyway. But oh, hey. Well, now, how is that a wet vac with a filter? I don't know about that, guys. Well, I wouldn't be sucking up liquids. I can tell you that much. Well, let's see how... Hey, they even got some tape on there. I guess it's not really tape. But this is going to be for vacuum up spills in the kitchen, and that's probably where I'll keep it. I'm going to have to keep an eye on the batteries though, because you need to keep these batteries at full charge, otherwise they have a memory, and if you leave them dead for too long, you know, like a couple days, they tend to remember. So you should always charge them up just as soon as you're done, and take them off the charger just as soon as they're done charging. Doesn't take long for these guys because they're not that big. I think these are what, 2 amp hour or something. I don't even know if they're that big. No, it is a 2 amp hour battery, surprisingly. So, all right. Oh, let's see. you can vacuum with it, but something this big, you wouldn't really want to. And especially, it doesn't do too well on carpeting. You gotta really put some muscle into it. On tile or wood floors or something that's not carpeting, I'm sure it works good. Cleaning out the car, if it's just something little, is good. And anything with a just a little bit of a spill, that's perfect. You don't have to go grabbing the big huge vacuum cleaner and plug it in and then wrap up the cord and put it back. And I'm sure this is pretty easy to dump. Wow, that stuff's already in that filter, man. Good Lord. Wow. Well, there's the Achilles heel. I wonder how much those filters are. I should look that up. I bet those things are not cheap, nor is shipping. I'll definitely be blowing it out with my compressed air gun outside every chance I get. But I own it, so I better start liking it. I think I'm sure all the rest of them probably have filters too. I forgot to check that, but I already had the batteries, so it wasn't really much of a choice. Hope I like it.